In this quick video, I'm going to demonstrate how to split your screen so that you can multitask. I'm going to take the program window that's covering up my entire desktop and move my mouse pointer up to the top of the window, which is the title bar. I'm going to click and drag down, but I'm not going to let go of the mouse. I'm doing this in slow motion, and I'm going to continue dragging the mouse slowly over to the right-hand side of the screen. And if you watch my mouse, it's going to disappear off the screen, the arrow. And when it disappears off the screen, the program window gets this outline. I have not released the mouse yet. As soon as I do release the mouse, like that, the program window that I was dragging to the side of the screen fills that entire half, which then will automatically display the remaining program windows that are currently open on my computer. And all I have to do is click on the one I want, Microsoft Word, and now I have Microsoft Word on the left and the web browser on my right, and I'm done.